Well, hello everybody! Welcome back to G-Bear's Off-Grid Ways, a homestead in the desert. We're down here at the garden water because I've been transferring water most of today. And as you can see, we're almost all full with all 5 of these totes. And I'm about to shut the pump off right now. And I'll be bringing that indoors because we got rain coming. And it's right about there now, so it'll be here pretty soon, and it'll be time to go hunker down. As according to the report, it's supposed to start sometime around 4 p.m. today and be light rain on and off all day for the rest of the day and all day tomorrow until 9 p.m. tomorrow night. It's not going to be a lot of rain from what I understand, but it could be 3/4 of an inch total for all of that. But well, I'll take it. So I had to make room for it. So as you can see, I got these all set up here. And I'm going to be shutting these down now. All except for the first tank, or if you want to talk left or right, it'll be the last tank. Because if something happens, I don't want to lose all this water. So all I do is leave this one open right here. And that one's full too. And that one on the trailer is full too. And I have this extra one here. It was pretty dirty, and I've set it there years ago. And it's kind of a blockage for my gray water tank or my gray water pit. And I'm thinking what I'm probably going to end up doing is pulling that out of there. I looked inside. It seems to, over the years, it seems to have cleaned itself out pretty good. So a short period of spraying water in it should clean it out the rest of the way. And I'll have another tote ready for water. And I'll be getting that done pretty soon, because I put it there because we had a collapse in the dirt over there from dogs digging and wanting to get down to the puddle of water that's underneath there. And I had to block it all off. That's why all these boards are tossed around here, and I got chicken wire in there and that stuff to keep the dogs from digging and trying to get in there. So what I'm probably going to end up doing is pulling that out of there, resetting that corner up over there, and then I'll put some boards going down to block this end. And originally, when I had my ATV, I was going to backfill this area, which was just an approach that I used to get down in there with the front bucket I had on the ATV and dig this whole pit out. This pit is almost 4 foot deep. It's plenty large size for gray water, and it just soaks into the ground. So let's head on up this way, and I'll show you what's going on up here. Ooh, it's got a little chill in the air. Oh, I've got to do a video, and since it's probably going to have me hunkered down tomorrow with rain, I'll probably do it tomorrow, but I've got to do a video on the Black Friday giveaway from Wattcycle. And that's going to be pretty interesting for those of you out there. There's actually, I think I said one time, and I thought there was 4 batteries, but there's 3 batteries being given away. And pretty easy giveaway, so you might want to sign on and go do that. Just go to the Wattcycle website. I'll put a link in the description of this video. It's my direct link to go to the website, and it'll give you a discount and all that stuff. So good time to buy batteries. Excellent prices for Black Friday. Really big discounts on some of the bigger expensive batteries, like the Bigfoot battery I have inside of here. That's marked down, and so are the new server rack batteries are marked down, and excellent prices and affordability right now. So go on there and you can read all the instructions on what's necessary. All right, so here's the totes. They are emptied. Those are emptied. Everything is emptied up here, so it's all ready to go for more rain. And I've got the auto siphon set up. I've got the valve open over here. So when those fill up higher than this, they'll start siphoning into here. And then when I look out my door window there and I see that these are almost full, I come out and flip that switch right there, and that'll take care of that. So in the meantime, I'm going to go down there and put my pump and my battery away before the rains start, and then it'll be time for get supper for the dogs. And the chickens are got plenty of food, so they're all set, but I'm going to fill up their secondary feeder in there just in case I can't get out the doors tomorrow. They say light rain, but then they've never been right about anything yet so far, so why should I believe them when they say that, right? Okay, so that's about it. Battery room's looking good. Not getting much sun today, so not much charge going into the batteries, but I hope I'll get through the night without a problem, and we'll deal with it tomorrow. So that's about it, everybody. Thank you for joining me. I'll get back to you in a little while. Okay, everybody, so I'm back. And guess what? They reverted back to the original predictions, and it started raining right at 2 p.m. I'm at 0.09 inches so far on this rain. Temperature dropped down to 46 degrees. So it's totally amazing. I mean, it started right at the time that they said it would originally, but they had changed that and saying it wasn't going to get here until after 4 p.m. And now it switched back to where it actually started right at 2 p.m. like they said it would. You just can't figure them out. You know, the weather report, the predictions they put, change every hour. It's ridiculous. How can you give me a prediction and then an hour later change it, and an hour later change it again, and an hour later change it again, and keep doing that for a whole day straight? Anyway, I'm collecting water. I had just put the battery away and the pump away, and I walked up to the cabin and I said, you know what? I'm all out of backup fuel for my generator, and just in case this storm does drop a lot on us, I'd like to have some backup power here just in case. So I ran down to get 5 gallons of gas at the local place, which is about 10 miles away. So it's a 20-mile round trip. And now I've got a 5-gallon backup sitting in the van because when I got back, it was pouring rain, and all I did was head straight inside. All right, everybody, thanks for joining me. Don't forget your thumbs ups. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Those of you who are subscribed, thank you for your support. This is G Bear signing off.